Welcome to Curiosity News Network, your go-to for the latest and most exciting science news. Hello, and welcome to the Criticat Report. In today's report, a fascinating discovery in the microscopic world turns our attention to a newly discovered species of tardigrade, Hypsibius henanensis. Often referred to as water bears, these tiny water-dwelling creatures are known for their incredible resilience. This new species exhibits superhero-like healing abilities, which have left scientists in awe. Tardigrades can repair their DNA and survive extreme conditions that would be lethal to most other forms of life. From the vacuum of space to the crushing pressures of the deep sea, these remarkable creatures have proven to be the ultimate survivors. Tardigrades can endure temperatures ranging from just above absolute zero to over 150 degrees Celsius. But this new species takes it a step further. Researchers have found that this tardigrade can not only withstand high levels of radiation, but also repair its DNA at an astonishing rate. The species, Hypsibius henanensis, has a total of 14,701 genes, 30% of which are unique to tardigrades. Through a series of experiments, scientists exposed these water bears to doses of 200 and 2,000 grays of radiation. In response, they found that 2,801 genes involved in DNA repair, cell division, and immune responses became active. One of those genes, TRID1, summons a protein called 53BP1 at sites of damage to help repair double-strand breaks in DNA. The species also calls on other genes to help its surprising resilience, including DODE1, which produces antioxidant pigments to clean up reactive chemicals caused by radiation exposure. Another gene, BCS1, shields the tardigrade cells from mitochondrial damage. The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. Tardigrades are found in diverse habitats, from the deep sea to the highest mountains, and even in the most arid deserts. They thrive in mosses, lichens, leaf litter, and soil, where they feed on plant cells, algae, and small invertebrates. One of their most fascinating survival mechanisms is cryptobiosis, a state in which they lose almost all their water content and enter a suspended animation. In this state, they can survive for years, and when conditions improve, they rehydrate and return to their active state. Recent discoveries continue to shed light on the incredible capabilities of these tiny creatures. Stay tuned for more updates on this incredible discovery as scientists continue to unravel the secrets of this tiny but mighty creature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about the latest advancements in the world of science and beyond.